Welcome to Hermann, Missouri, a charming town right along the banks of the Missouri River with plenty to offer. Take a stroll through the picturesque streets and enjoy the peaceful river views. Be sure to visit Hermann Farm, a historic property where you can step back in time and experience the town's rich agricultural heritage. In the late 1800s, Hermann was a key stop for the Missouri Pacific Railroad, bringing both visitors and goods to the area. Today, remnants of the old railroad can still be seen around town, offering a glimpse into its past. Stay at Heritage Lodging Bed and Breakfast, situated just a short walk from everything in town. Or relax at the historic Rife House, where you will feel right at home. For something more modern, check out the Hermann Crown Suites, located in the heart of town. Hermann is also known for its excellent wineries and breweries. Take a wine tour, or enjoy your favorite drink while soaking in the views. And don't miss the food. From tasty German dishes to fresh local favorites, there's something to satisfy every taste. Come explore and enjoy the relaxing vibe here in Hermann.